as you see, you can do a combination of that. Don't you look at the bed? So, most work being shown there. Things like some out of the gravel, the big there, so this says there. No, I'm trying my best. So, lots of structure there. As you see, some work being done on the basement on this side, so it's looking really good. They should be done maybe a week or two, or maybe a few weeks. So I'll let you know what comes of it and what improvements have been done, you see, so that'll be good. So and putting some more structure near the Nagis's arcade, more add-on to the new market, you see, so a crane there. You see, so few bodies on the site as well. You see, so and there's the entrance of the new market over there. Not focusing proper. So it's looking really good. Some more being done on this side as well. You see, it's looking promising now. More structure. You see, so I said about all there. They've covered it up. So, and over there's a bit of a base. Looks like there's going to be a bit of a structure there. I'm going to have see where to see. You see, so it's really looking good. Really good. So I'll let you know soon, and I'll do another video in a few more weeks, or maybe a few more weeks. Yeah. So I'll let you know what's going on, more improvements. So, right.